Guess what? We got our laser completely all hooked up, all set up. We got the software installed. We're using Lightburn software with it, by the way. And just a spoiler alert, we have been using this now for 2 months, actually. It has been very busy, so we haven't been able to make this video. But now I want to tell you about our first cut or our first engrave with this machine. Once we got it set up, this was our first engrave with it. And I'll play the video now that we took while we were engraving, but we actually just downloaded there's a library settings file that you can download. In fact, I'll leave a link to it in the description below this video, but it has a good starting point for a lot of settings. So yeah, we were able to get this with our first time engraving, and it's not where we stayed as far as our settings, but it did give us a good place to start with. And I think this is pretty good for our first time engraving with the machine with no training whatsoever. We did watch a few videos, but we didn't have any training on it, and we were able to get this. And since that time, from us doing that very first engrave, we got busy after that. We got busy with our Christmas rush, and we have done hundreds of orders with our laser. We've done everything from koozies to pocket knives, tumblers, and even all of this stuff like you see behind me back here. We do personalization on a lot of stuff with our machine, and we love it. So now that our Christmas rush is over, we are actually going to have a little bit more time to make some more videos of us making stuff with our laser and some of the other stuff that we might do. So if you're interested in that at all, please hit that subscribe button. Let us know down in the comments what you would like to see us engrave or any questions that you have about our laser engraving business in general. We'll be happy to share that with you. Thanks for liking, commenting, and subscribing. Until next time, God bless.